Welcome, this is JV with the Cyber and U team, and today we're going to go over an issue that we pretty much have all encountered if we worked in a domain or even had any type of files shared out to other people. This is how to disconnect somebody from a session. If they left it open and then walked away, and now you're trying to modify that item, be it a Word, Excel, Notepad document, but you no longer can because it opens up as a read-only due to somebody having it open. And as long as you have administrative privileges, you can actually just disconnect them from it. So in order to do that, we're just going to go to the bottom left here, and then if it's on a server, you're going to go to Server Manager, and then click Tools at the top, and then Computer Management. If it's just a computer that you're sharing it out with, you can just go to, you can just type Computer Management into the bottom left here. I'm gonna display that real quick. And it'll pop up this exact same view. And in that, you're gonna click on Shared Folders. You're gonna expand that, and then you're gonna see Shares. This is gonna show you all the shares that you have shared out, and then Sessions as well. And then Sessions is really where you're gonna go in order to disconnect somebody from the file or document, whatever it ends up being. I currently don't have any open, but if I did, it would display who currently has it open, on which computer they have it open on, and then the type of file, and then how many instances of that file are open, how long they've been connected to it, and then how long they haven't actually used it. And then in order to disconnect them, you technically just click on them, right click, and then click disconnect session. If you want everything and anything to be disconnected, you're just gonna right click, disconnect all sessions, click yes, and that'll disconnect all of those sessions all at once. So this was a quick tutorial on how to disconnect somebody from a file that they left open, or you no longer want them to access that file in order to access it yourself. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again.